Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we explore the fascinating world of plants. Today we have a special plant to showcase, the Cupid Sweet Pepper. This petite and flavorful pepper variety has unique characteristics and versatile uses. Join me as we delve into the wonderful world of Cupid Sweet Peppers. Cupid Sweet Pepper is a compact and prolific pepper variety. It is well suited for small gardens, container gardening, or even indoor cultivation. This plant reaches a height of about 10 to 12 inches, making it perfect for balconies, patios, and any space-limited areas. The Cupid Sweet Pepper produces an abundance of small bell-shaped peppers that mature from green to bright red. Despite their small size, these peppers pack a punch in terms of flavor. They have a sweet taste with just a hint of heat, making them a versatile ingredient in various culinary creations. Growing Cupid sweet peppers is relatively easy. They thrive in full sun, so make sure to provide at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. The soil should be well draining and enriched with organic matter. Regular watering is essential to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Companion planting can enhance the overall health and productivity of your Cupid sweet pepper plant. Consider planting it alongside herbs like basil or oregano, which can help deter pests and attract beneficial insects like bees and butterflies. Now let's talk about the culinary uses of Cupid sweet peppers. These small and flavorful peppers are perfect for fresh eating, adding a pop of sweetness to salads, salsas, and even stuffing them with savory fillings. They can also be sautéed, roasted, or grilled to bring out their natural sweetness. Apart from their culinary uses, Cupid sweet peppers are a great source of essential vitamins and antioxidants, providing numerous health benefits. They are low in calories and high in vitamin C and vitamin A, promoting a strong immune system and healthy skin. And that concludes our exploration of Cupid sweet pepper. The compact size, flavorful peppers, and versatility make it a fantastic addition to any garden or even a small pot on your windowsill. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, the Cupid sweet pepper is a delightful choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.